Welcome back to Honest Auto Wheels, where we bring you the most detailed reviews of the latest wheels on the road. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2025 Toyota Camper Motorhome, a perfect blend of reliability, comfort, and smart engineering for those who crave the open road. The 2025 Toyota Camper has made waves in the RV world with its redesigned body and smarter layout. Built on Toyota's trusted commercial platform, it combines rugged durability with sleek, modern aesthetics. From the outside, the camper looks bold, featuring LED strip headlights, a wide front grille, and chrome accents that give it a more refined, upscale feel. The aerodynamic profile also helps reduce drag, improving fuel efficiency, which is a big plus for long-distance travelers. Under the hood, you get a powerful 3.5 liter V6 hybrid engine that offers a smooth drive with enough torque to handle both highways and hilly terrains. It's mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission, and Toyota's latest hybrid tech helps deliver a better fuel economy than traditional RVs. Whether you're cruising along coastal roads or climbing mountain passes, the 2025 Toyota Camper promises a steady, reliable performance. Now, let's talk about the interior. And this is where things really get exciting. As you step inside, you're welcomed by a smart, space-optimized cabin that screams comfort and innovation. There's a convertible sofa, a fold-out queen bed, and a fully functional kitchenette with a dual-burner stove, microwave, and a 90-liter fridge. The wood finish cabinets and ambient LED lighting make it feel more like a tiny home than a camper. The driver's cockpit is packed with the latest tech. A 12-inch infotainment screen with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and voice control. You also get Toyota's Safety Sense 3.0, including adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, and emergency braking, making it one of the safest motorhomes in its class. And here's something campers will love. The 2025 model features solar roof panels for charging your house battery, plus a 3,000-watt inverter that can easily power your gadgets and small appliances. You also get an outside awning, built-in speakers, and optional off-road tires if you want to take your adventures beyond the pavement. Storage is another area where Toyota excels. The camper offers multiple underbed and rooftop compartments, perfect for stashing gear, tools, or even outdoor furniture. It's designed with real-life travelers in mind. That wraps up our review of the 2025 Toyota Camper. Let us know what you think in the comments. Would you take this beauty for a cross-country trip? And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more honest reviews right here on Honest Auto Wheels. Until next time, safe travels and happy camping.